third reading dito sa House of Representatives, binawasan ng 5.4 billion ang naiwan 16.1 billion. So sa House of Representatives pa lang, binawasan na yung ODA. You know what happened pagdating sa GAA? Pagdating sa GAA, this is now the product of both the Senate, the House of Representatives at saka sa BICAM. Zero. Kinatay yung buong ODA. Nakakahiya sa ating mga foreign creditors. Ito yung ginawa. As is, yung proposal, National Expenditure Program, 11 projects, foreign funded, 11 total of 27.5 billion nandito. Nilagyan ko ng marker. GAB 1, first reading, faithful copy, nandito yung 11 projects. Total of 27.5 billion. Third reading, House of Representatives, binawasan ng 18.6 billion, ang naiwan 8.9 billion na lang. ODA funded ito. May approved loan na sa mga foreign creditors. Nawala yung big ticket projects at nagsusulputan na parang kabuti yung maliliit na projects. Makita nyo yan sa budget.